Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in a Sudoku medium in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 14th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the binary puzzle. So two puzzles are left. The Killer Sudoku and Medium Sudoku. I've told you earlier in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I will solve in the evening the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. Alright, Sudoku Medium number 65991. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, will be easier than the 1 star. For a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 40 minutes, we don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. We have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the first row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in this big square, so no 1 and 8 in these two boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this row, so no 2 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. Okay. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Next number, the 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2. Okay, cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. How about 7? 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. Yeah, another 7 in this column. No 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 7. 7. Oh, well, we have a 7 here. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about 6, the 8, and the 3. 3 in this row. 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 8 in this column. 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Yeah. Well, I know there's an 8 here. Yeah. 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 6 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6, 8 goes there. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 1 number left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 6, 6, okay. 9, 3, 5, 5, 5, 9, 3, 5. 3, 3, okay. 2, 3, wait. 2 and 3. Come on. Yeah, we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 7, 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this column, so no 1 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 5, 5, okay. Then we have a 3 here. Need a 9. 9. Need a 6. 6, okay. 3, 5. 5. 3, and a 9. Come on. This is taking too long. 3, 5, and a 2. How about these 2 missing numbers? Let me see. 7 and 8. Oh. 5, 7, and 8. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, digit number 2, number 8. Then two missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers. Oh, wait. 7 and a 5. We already have a 5 here in the first column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Yeah, 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. This number 3, number 7. Alright. 1 number left in this column. 4 number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 3. 1 box left in this column. 4 number. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 2 in this row, last row, the 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column, third column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, and 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. And final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.